Hey my girl, let's install some clip-in extensions like a pro. CurlsQueen hooked me up with some Yaki straight clip-in extensions. I don't remember the exact length, but I'm going to make sure I leave everything in the description box below. So first they hooked me up with some bundles. I got a satin bonnet. I also got a detangling brush, and you also get a few extra clips in case you want to cut some pieces or make some custom pieces to fit your head, and I really do love that. Now, CurlsQueen clip-in extensions are high quality. They are thick from the root all the way to the tip. Like the root to the tip, girl. It is full. This hair is very full and thick. You only need one set. If your head is bigger, then you might want to get two sets. But you guys, I have a small head, and I actually ended up having some clip-ins left over. My hair is cut into a very blunt bob, so it is hard for me to conceal my natural hair with the clip-in extensions. But if you don't have a bob, that won't be a problem. If I installed more clip-ins, it would probably be a little bit more seamless. So I just wanted to let y'all know that you got to blend a little. But installing these clip-ins is so easy. My hair is fine, and it wasn't pulling on my hair. It didn't weigh my hair down. And that's one thing that I really love, because I can't stand when I put clip-in extensions in my hair and I could just feel it all throughout my head, or it feels heavy, or it feels like it's snagging on my hair. All I did was part my hair section by section, and I installed the clips. I used the 2-piece in the back on the smaller section near the nape area, and I just part out some hair in between, about an inch space apart, and then I installed the clips. This install was so easy. Like I said, all you do is part your hair section by section, and you install as many clips that you need to or that you want to, depending on the fullness. Flat ironing this hair was very easy. It was already straight, but I just went in with my flat iron just to get some of the crimps out, or just, just to make it more straight so that it would blend nicely with my hair. I was going to a wedding this day, so it was perfect. It came in clutch, y'all. The hair extensions did not have a smell, and styling clip-in extensions is so easy. One thing that I love is how versatile they are. So if I wanted to wear a middle part, I could switch up the clips and make my hair an even middle part. If I wanted to do a half up to half down, I could do that too. That's one thing that I really love about clip-in extensions, is that you can take them out and reinstall them as many times as you want, however you want. You can even do a ponytail style. I love it, especially with high quality clip-ins. Like, I can't talk enough about how good the quality of this hair is. Like, CurlsQueen, they did their big one. But I'm going to stop rambling and let you guys watch how I installed my hair. And make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know, would you get this hair? Let me know how you would style your hair, all the things. But until then, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video.